Hello, in this video we will control our servo motor via C# or via Visual Studio. In here you can see the codes. I prepared them all to gain a time, okay? Now what we did, we defined our servo library and then I gave a variable as my servo, okay? This is coming from the Visual Studio and I attached my servo to pin 5, okay? And now you can check here, it's really important. We are reading is serial because of why. Let's go to C# side. This is our trackbar, okay? You need to come to here. You need to say trackbar, okay? It is added to here. You can see it. I will delete it. This is trackbar 1, okay? And if I go to upper side, you can see it. And I adapt it as 180 as maximum, okay? It is our angle value, okay? And in the code side, you will see if you left click. Hello, dear students. If you go to Udemy and type here Instagram, you will see my whole courses. In there, you will see Arduino course, okay? In this course, you will see electronics basics and also Arduino programming and the hardware, and also you will see C# programming basics, and you will see Arduino and C# serial communication, okay? And you will see and learn a little bit C# programming also, and the Proteus software that you are going to see and learn, okay? If you go to www.darstagram.com, and then you will see whole courses and lowest price buttons in here. So you can come to here, you can reach these courses, these powerful courses with the lowest price. To it, you will come to here, port, okay, this is our serial port to write line, write to serial port, trackbar value as string, okay. Now also via label in here we will see our angel value, okay. We are writing to our port as string, and then in the C# side, Arduino side, we are changing it to integer, okay. Now let's send it to Arduino, and it is sending, and also let us activate our Droid Cam. Okay, now it is activated and I will say start. Also, what I am doing, if the value is 0, okay, and if it is not different from 0, go to 0 position. And now what I have in here, I have my servo motor, okay. Now let's go to here and let's start it. Also, it is starting and we will check is it working correctly. And then also in the Arduino side, it's connected to pin 5, open port. The port is opened, and let's make it like this, maybe a little bit more. Okay, now very good. Check the situation of servo motor. Now it is 0, and you can see it's turned to 180, and you can see it is following and it's 0, and 33, and 92, and 87, and now you can see it is at position, and then okay, now it is working. And then how can we control our servo? You can see the codes in here. Let's close it. This is our just small code. In Arduino side, you can see this is our code, okay. Then I am finished for this video. See you in the next video.